What if I told you that lowering your blood sugar could take just 2 minutes? In this video, I will show you the simple exercise that reduced levels from 190 to 170 and how you can try it today. Hi everyone, today's trick is not medical advice. It's a quick exercise that's helped many, backed by a real experiment. Here is the proof. A diabetic volunteer's blood sugar dropped 20 points in 2 minutes just by doing calf raises. No fancy equipment, just moving those calves. Here is how to do it. Stand, hold a wall for balance or sit. Lift your heels, squeeze your calves, then lower. Repeat 1 to 2 minutes. That's it. Do this while brushing your teeth, at your desk, or even waiting for coffee. Why calf raises? Your calves store excess glucose. Moving them burns that sugar, improving insulin sensitivity. It aids digestion by stimulating gut movement. Perfect if you struggle with constipation. Start slow, day 1 to 2 minutes maximum. Gradually increase to avoid cramps. Consistency beats intensity. Do it 2 to 3 times daily. And always consult your doctor before trying new routines, especially if diabetic. Give this a try and let me know your results in the comments. If you loved this tip, hit subscribe and share with someone who needs it. Stay healthy, stay happy, keep smiling.